Hello and welcome back to Tiger Garage. This is another project. This is a 2018 Mercedes-Benz B-Class. V-Class. So ano mga papagawa natin? Ang reklamo ni client, maingay siya sa daan and the seats are not comfortable. So papalitan natin ang second row seat, lalagyan din natin ng magandang flooring, and the most important, isa-soundproof natin yung buong kotse. From the side door to the floor to the roof, lahat na natin malalagyan natin ng soundproofing, lalagyan natin ng soundproofing. As you can see, this is not a brand new car, so medyo torn out na yung mga upuan, and the most important of all, hindi siya comfortable. Tapos, sira-sira na rin yung mga gadgets natin. Pero this doesn't matter kasi papalitan natin ng bago, papalitan natin ng dalawang main seats, papalitan natin ng VIP seats from Tiger Garage. Yung third row seat, i-retain natin. Kahit pinalitan na natin yung flooring, kaya pa rin natin i-retain yung third row seat para sa baby seat ni car owner. The most important of all is, again, makikita nyo rin after pag binaklas na namin yung mga interior, makikita nyo talagang wala siyang soundproofing at all, wala siyang sound deadening at all. It's just itong bakal lang mismo. Kaya pag nasa daan ka, talagang maririnig mo yung lahat ng paligid, motor, sasakyan. Bumili ka nga ng Mercedes-Benz is to have a comfortable ride, pero wala siyang sound deadening, wala siyang anything. So maingay siya sa daan. Ito yung kakabit nating flooring. It's made of aluminum composite panel, pero it's printed and the surface is polished. So parang siyang granite talaga. So I hope you guys are excited na mga gagawin natin. And I'm glad that you are here joining our journey to transform this Mercedes-Benz. As always, wait till you see. This is a week later na naman. Sa wakas, natapos na natin yung car. Sorry, medyo nag-allergy ako, pero tapusin na natin to. Anong mga nagawa natin? Ayan. As you can see, na-install na namin ng aluminum board flooring. And then, pinalitan namin yung dalawang captain seat, our very own Tiger Garage VIP seats. Maliban dyan, meron pang nakatago is na-soundproof natin yung buong kotse. Siguro nakita nyo na rin sa montage natin. So, ano mga functions ng VIP seats of our Tiger Garage Share? Ito, medyo kakaiba to konti. Number one, syempre, automatic lahat. Tapos may air-cooled seats, tapos may memory seats. Syempre, kompleto lahat ng functions regarding the automatic controls. So, ano mga special ng seat na to? At the other side, makikita mo, meron tayong cup holders and meron din tayong table. Para ito sa mga tao na mahilig kumain sa labas or lagi siya on the go. Meron mga documents, meron mga computers, laptops, or things to do that you need a table on the car. Hindi ka mahirapan na maghanap ng table kasi meron ka ng table sa chair mo. Both chairs have this table. So, if ibabalik mo, just atras, tayo, and then ipasok. Siyempre, maliban sa special features na yan, of course, it's very, very comfortable and ma-adjust mo lahat ng kailangan mo. Like footrest, like incline-decline, lumbar support, and it even has massage and air-cooled seats. Yan yung mga specialty natin na wala sa iba. So, pagdating sa likod, pinalitan natin ng aluminum board seats. It means it started from the front until the back. For example, if you look at this, niretain namin yung original railings para maikabit pa rin yung original seating sa likod. So, it's your choice if you want to change the third row seat into a sofa bed or just retain the original seats to retain some of the features like, for example, ISOFIX chair na dedicated just for Mercedes. So that's how Tiger Garage works. We always want to say this is that you dream it, we will build it for you. That's it folks, yun yung mga ginawa natin sa B220 natin dito ngayon. If you're interested in any of our products that you see in the video, just leave us a message and let's make it happen. Thank you very much guys for watching, and see you in the next episode, and have a great day. Goodbye.